Hello everyone. Today I am here to discuss the topic on deterministic inventory model with and without lead time. So let us know what is deterministic. So here deterministic means certain, fixed or known in advance. So what are the known in advance are demand is fixed, lead time is fixed, ordering cost and holding cost are fixed. For example, if you want to understand what is exactly the deterministic case, let's go with an example. So here a stationery shop sells 20 notebooks every day. Okay, so here on Monday a shopkeeper sells 20 books, on Tuesday he sells the same thing, and Wednesday also he sells the same thing. Here the total demand is fixed, so total demand is 20 notebooks every day, and lead time also is fixed, daily. Lead time is daily. So here the factors of deterministic is the demand is known, the lead time also is known. This is called deterministic. So next is inventory. So as all we know, what is inventory? Inventory is a stock of raw materials, okay, work in progress and finished goods. These are all the stock. What is inventory? Inventory is nothing but it is a stock of raw materials, work in progress, finished goods, in which the businesses helps to keep the customers, to meet the customers' demand. Here let us know what in combination of deterministic inventory model. So what is deterministic inventory model means? It is an inventory model in which the demand, the lead time and cost are known in advance, okay, and remain constant. It helps the businesses to decide how much to order and when to order. So for what purpose we have to know how to order and when to order? To minimize the inventory costs. Okay, now let us move to the next thing, that is deterministic inventory model with lead time. Okay, so here what is lead time? So here the time taken between placing an order to receiving an order, receiving it, placing an order, receiving it. For example, if you go July, okay, 1st July, the supplier delivers us on 6th July. So lead time is 5 days. Okay, now for another example for understanding, we can go with the grocery shop sells 20 packets of rice every day. Okay, 20 rice packets every day. Here the daily demand is 20 packets. So lead time is 5 days. Okay, here the shop should not wait until the stock becomes zero. That is the main motto. So it should place the new order when stock runs out. For example, we have the formula for reordering. Okay, reorder level is equals to daily demand into lead time. So here when the shop sells 20 packets of rice every day, okay, so daily demand is 20 packets. So here the lead time is 5 days. Here the shopkeeper should not wait until a stock becomes zero. Okay, until the stock becomes, the shopkeeper should not wait. So it should he should place an order when stock reaches. So here we'll go with an formula, that is reordering level is equals to daily demand into lead time. So here for the above example, the daily demand is 20 packets and the lead time is 5 days. So reorder level is equals to 100 packets. Here from this what we'll get to know is, when only 100 packets are left, the shopkeeper must place an order for the 200 packets, because during the next 5 days the remaining packets are sold, then the new stock will arises on the stock when it becomes zero. Here by the end we can get to know is what is reorder level. Reorder level is the stock level at which a new order will be placed so that the fresh stock will arrive before the existing stock runs out. Okay, so let us go with the next concept, that is without lead time. Deterministic model without lead time. Here the without lead time is nothing but lead time will be zero. Here lead time will be zero, which means the stock is received immediately after placing the order. So there is no waiting time between ordering or receiving the goods. Suppose if we go with an example, in the real world example we can say, so without lead time we can go here is without lead time. If we go with an example, so suppose you have 100 notebooks, okay. For the day 1, if you sell the 10 notebooks, okay, sell 10 books, the remaining notebooks are 90. For day 2, the same 10 notebooks, it becomes 80. The day 3, the same 10 books, it becomes 70. So till the day 10, the stock will become 0 here, okay. Then here, as soon as the stock reaches the 0, you can place an order and then order another 100 new books immediately. So by this, what would be the advantages and disadvantages is, first we'll go with an advantages. Advantages is easy to understand, where we can use the simple formulas and calculations. The next is easy to plan the inventory, so it helps to decide how much to order, when to order. So it reduces, and also it reduces the inventory cost, because the balances of ordering cost and holding cost. So avoid stockouts. If the demand is known correctly, the products don't run out. And excess inventory, it reduces the excess inventory, prevents the overstocking and saves storage space. So it makes the supplier to take the better decision making, and it also helps the managers to make accurate inventory decisions. So next, the disadvantages is assumes demand is known. In real life, the demand often changes. It is not next is, it is not suitable for uncertain situations, because we cannot say how much the demand and how much the supply. It may changes according to the market conditions. So it ignores the real world risk. It does not consider the delays, shortages, or emergencies. So it needs accurate data. Wrong demand estimates lead to incorrect inventory decisions. Thank you. This was all about my topic, that is deterministic inventory model with and without lead time.